What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and we have quite a few deals today, but it should be a quick video. First off, I want to say I have been seeing your comments about the t-shirts. Like I said, I have designed them. I just have to build the site, and I just have not had the time, holidays and all that. But I will get around to it. With that said, let's go ahead and get into the video today. So over at Lowe's, we have a deal today. I don't have any experience with these nailers, but I'm leaving them up because the finished nailer seems to have pretty high ratings there. 129. I'm not really sure if that's a good deal to me, it being pneumatic, but you guys know better than I do when it comes to that, so I thought I'd just leave it there. Moving on. Acme Tools has a deal, and Acme Tools, their promo codes have been weird. Nothing's been working for me today. I don't know what that's all about, but they were working a few days ago for Cyber Monday, and they're supposed to be good until tomorrow, but they're not working. So maybe you'll have better luck. But they have this DeWalt impact driver hammer drill kit, and it looks very familiar, and it looks like the one that comes with the buy one get one, and it kind of is. The tools are the same. Battery and charger are different. These are two 4 amp hour batteries, and the charger is basically a regular charger. But honestly, for $299, I feel like you should just pay the extra $80 to get an 8 amp hour battery, a compact 2 amp hour battery, a rapid charger, and a bonus gift over here. So to me, I mean, any of these, this 7 1/4 circular saw, this XR reciprocating saw, this XR angle grinder, I don't know if I'd do another 8 amp hour battery, but these are going to be worth the extra $80 to me. So I would just do that. Moving on over to Home Depot, we're going to be jumping around from store to store today. Found this deal on a glue gun. Now, it's like these little weird, odd tools that I'd buy in Ryobi. Like a glue gun, I'd buy this if I had a use for it. $50 for the kit. Don't think that's terrible. Moving on, we have this Ryobi fan. Again, people love like the waltz and all that. This is a 7.5-inch fan. I think some of those like 8-inch and all that, but this blows good air. It does. I paid $59 for just the fan, and I ain't mad. And this is a little kit. You get a 2 amp hour battery and the charger, and it'll run for a while, this 2 amp hour battery. $59, that is a good deal right there. Now, here's this deal. This is a unique deal. Comes with the Gen 3 impact driver, and it's all M12, two 2 amp hour batteries, the bag charger, this high-speed ratchet, right angle ratchet, and a high output 2.5 amp hour battery. Now, these two tools are definitely going to benefit from this high output battery. So that's good. But $239 is like, especially when you think that you have this with the hammer drill kit and it's a buy one get one, right? It's not a high output battery though. It's like that regular battery. And so you kind of feel like, that's a better deal, but you are getting, to me, I feel like this high-speed right angle ratchet is better than that drill. You would use this more than you use a drill. And if you were using like real, intense applications, you use the impact driver anyway. So I feel like this kit is more useful. And of course, these two tools alone, without the batteries and stuff, is going to be over $239. It's one of those deals where if you bought it, you wouldn't be mad. Is it the best? No. You could probably wait and find something a little sweeter with a whole bunch of, buy one, get one, not keeping a tool and all that. But is it a terrible deal? No. Like I said, if you bought it, you wouldn't be mad. So let's move on. I just want to remind you guys that Milwaukee does have over at Home Depot like some decent brush tools, and they're all $79 across the board. They did this last year, angle grinder, and then with this hacksaw, their brush. I have this M18 hacksaw. It is humongous. It is literally like 2.5 times the size of the M12 Fuel, but it works better than the M12 Fuel if you're not using it for pipe. Like if you cutting pipe, you want that M12 Fuel, but this works great outdoors when like branches and stuff like that. The Fuel work even better, but the Fuel obviously it's like double the price. Unless you utilize the buy one get ones going on right now, then it's just a little bit more than this. But yeah, it's not bad. So there you have that. I just want to remind you guys of this Ridgid pancake compressor and nailer set. I wanted to get this last year. I ended up selling on a Porter cable. The Porter cable is not bad. The thing is, I kind of like the construction, the way the Ridgid looks personally. And but this also had the lifetime service agreement that the Porter cable does not have, and I wish I would have got this. I mean, I'm kind of considering just buying this anyway, and then selling my Porter cable just so I could have that lifetime service agreement with this. But yeah, don't sleep on this because it didn't last that long last year. They took it away, and all you had was a Porter cable after that. Moving on, this is also a good deal. People have been seeing better ones, like Max Tool had it for $139 with two 3 amp hour batteries. No charger though, so it depends on where you are in your journey with buying tools. You want a few chargers under your belt instead of just a whole bunch of batteries. But this is a 4 amp hour battery, and you have the stubby, of course, 159. That's not a bad deal there. That one from Max Tool is excellent, but it comes and goes, and it only lasts like 20 minutes when it's there. So yeah, you have that. This is also a really good deal. Right angle die grinder with the 4 amp hour battery and this charger, the whole kit, 159. This is normally $200 itself, the die grinder. So there you have that. Moving on, we have over at Amazon, we have this Makita jigsaw. Now this thing is old. It's like 8 years old, but really good. Look at those ratings. And this is, I know it's not showing the price. I had to log out of Amazon because it was showing all the stuff I have in my cart. And it's 101. So hopefully it's still 101 when you look at it, but it's $101. And I wanted to show you guys over here at Home Depot. It's the same jigsaw that comes with the Makita buy one get one for $3.99. Well, Makita's buy one get two, which I did want to remind because I don't think I haven't mentioned that in like probably 2 months now. That this is 1 month. That this is a buy this hammer drill impact driver and get 2 free tools. Unlike the Milwaukee, which is get 1 tool, and we're not even gonna bring up that DeWalt. It's just terrible over there at Home Depot. But yes, you get this and you get to get 2 free tools. Okay, so with that said, this is one of the free tools. And even if you wanted to do a hack, this is still $123, where you could just buy it for 101 over here at Amazon. So there you go with that. Moving on, Acme Tools has Metabo HPT. Amazon has this too, but get it from Acme Tools though, because you for sure are getting it from a authorized authorized retailer, and you'll have that lifetime warranty. Finish nailer kit usually comes with a 3 amp hour battery, but I don't know. Yes, it comes with a 3 amp hour battery, and it comes with a charger. Usually these come with safety goggles and the nailer and stuff. $249, not a bad deal. Not excellent, but not bad. And you also have, I forgot to mention over here, Acme Tools and Lowe's, you have your Rakuten, which is going to give you a 2% cash back and a $40 bonus if you're new. Got to use the link in the description. If you don't use the link in the description to sign up for this free cashback extension, you will not get the $40 bonus. There's some people that's getting tired of that plug, but like I said, imagine if you were the new guy and I didn't mention it because other people were upset because I keep saying it and you missed out on the $40+. You'd be hot. So it only takes a few seconds to talk about it. Moving on to Lowe's. I just want to remind you. Why did I want to remind you? I think because, okay, so did a little backwards. Of course, Acme Tools, if you just see this, if you're over at Acme Tools, the Metabo HPT, buy one, get one. It's just giving you the rear handle circular saw over at Acme Tools. So I don't really recommend that unless you don't like Lowe's, because they've been acting crazy all year. And you do want the rear handle circular saw, then go ahead and get it from Acme Tools. The same price. You get the same, you get the 2% cash back over at Acme Tools, but at Lowe's, I think it's 3% cash back. It is. So you save more money if you got it from Lowe's, though. Granted, so there you go. Plus, you get to choose from 3 tools. And it's up to you. I mean, most people are going to just spring for the rear handle circular saw. But I will say this. Keep in mind, these are all 36 volt tools. So it's not the 18 volt one. So you can plug this into the wall if you get the adapter. But this blows the dust away from you. The rear handle, the dust is going to kind of fly back on you like most rear handles. So keep that in mind if you're right-handed anyway. And anyway, then you also get to choose from this excellent reciprocating saw. This thing is fantastic. It's equivalent to the Milwaukee Super Sawzall. Okay, there's super Sawzall with the orbital feature, and Bosch has a new one too. I haven't played around with it or seen it in a while in person or anything. Moving on, then also Tool Barn. I was trying to piece together, everybody has the Milwaukee packout where you buy one, buy more, save more. But over at Tool Barn, you have Barn Bucks. You also have Rakuten, and it's also accepting coupon codes. So where everyone else that I pieced together, what was that? Acme Tool and Home Depot. If you wanted to get these three, the rolling one, the small toolbox, and the 2-drawer toolbox that came at $277, I was able to do a little coupon code right here. This RMN 101231. Look, instead of doing all that, you could just get Retail Me Not, and it's going to show you the $10 off $250 copy code and paste it. So again, these little cashback extensions do more than just cashback. They give you coupon codes as well. Took an extra $10 off. Acme Tool wouldn't let us do that. And of course, Home Depot just don't even have coupons, anything at all. So you can get it cheaper there. There was another thing I wanted to say though. This packout, the small one, they have two, one without a foam insert and one with a foam insert for the same $79.97. So I want you to just be aware of that. All right, there you go. You see it right here with tool case with a foam insert. And you might not want that one, but just keep in mind that they have those, all right? Because you might want the one with the accessories and stuff on the inside. So, you pick your poison, they're the same price. Moving on. I talked about this yesterday. Was it yesterday? At Tractor Supply, or 2 days ago. And it was $129, and now it's $119 for this shop stool. There you go. And I also talked about this at Tractor Supply the other day too. I'm going to bring it up again because it's funny to me. It's $199 and you get 8 tools, okay? Now, when you look at the specs, they're not wild, okay? Impact driver does 1,450 inch-pounds, and this is a brush set too. But again, there's nothing wrong with brush tools. I'm just saying, if you are even a handyman, this would be okay. But if you work on a construction site, no, I wouldn't recommend these. But if you're a homeowner or a handyman, this is going to be fine. Okay, you have, let's go through. I know this is so small. You have the impact driver, a drill. You have a circular saw. And it's a 6.5 inch circular saw, jigsaw, little light, angle grinder, oscillating tool, and a reciprocating saw. 4 amp hour battery and a 1.5 amp hour battery, charging 2 bags. Okay, $199. It's pretty crazy. The reciprocating saw has a 1-inch stroke. The drill does like 230 unit watts out, 240 unit watts out, whatever that means. The flashlight is it's a meager 120 lumens. That is pretty low for real. Unless the lighting itself has good color, then that makes it a whole lot better. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys that again, and then also I compared it to Ryobi's offerings of $199 as well. Now this is a 6-tool brushed kit from Ryobi with a 5.5 inch circular saw, a reciprocating saw also with a 1-inch stroke, oscillating tool, a flashlight, drill, an impact driver. You see you're missing your angle grinder and you're also missing a jigsaw. Okay, now let's cover the specs though. And again, Porter Cable, Stanley, Black & Decker, they do pretty decent with their numbers. They don't exaggerate as much as TTI products. You can look at the Torque Test channel to see that data. But their drill provides 515 inch-pounds of torque, which is actually quite impressive. That's pretty darn good. The impact driver is 1,800 inch-pounds of torque. That's funny. The light is 280 lumens. So off top, you're already like, whoa, this is a much better kit. Now it's brushed. Now let's go look at the Ryobi brushed offering. They have a 5-tool combo kit for $199, and everything over here is brushless. I said brush, but this is brushless. So you have a one-handed reciprocating saw, flashlight, impact driver, drill, and oscillating tool. No circular saw. All right, and let's look at the specs. Drill does 400 inch-pounds, but it's brushless though. Remember the brush one did 515. Impact driver, 1700. Remember the brush did 1800. And you also have, even the flashlight is only 200 lumens, but that little brush, the one for the brush kit was 280 lumens. So anyway, I almost feel like these are backwards. I think these are the specs for the brush one, because that just doesn't even make any sense. But anyway, these are the different offerings for $199. You get to choose and pick your poison there. And that is it for today's video. If you got any value from it, I ask you to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. I do this all year round, not just during the holidays. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you guys next time.